Welcome one, welcome all, welcome neighbor. Raise up curtains and lights, it's our labor. Gloomy skies in this world you see. Love your neighbor, come home and we'll be super happy. All your childhood memories were so bright. If the broadcast was on, it's our delight. Any ideas for that? We're all ears. So we can give them all a great show for hundreds of years.
We're friendly, we're friendly. Step out into our friendly neighborhood town. Come on, turn that frown around, and we'll make sure you never feel down. When you're here, we know that you'll jump around in our friendly neighborhood town, where there's lots of fun to be found. We'll dance our lives away in these rounds, so make some happy sounds.
We've been oh so alone in the shadows, lost sight of what we are in these dark rows, trying hard to revive the light. Can't on our own hope, but now that changes all tonight. Cause you came along, showed what we're missing. We don't have to keep reminiscing. All that's left is to start the show, to chase away the darkness and bring back our bright city's glow.
We're friendly, we're friendly. Step out into our friendly neighborhood town. Come on, turn that frown around, and we'll make sure you never feel down. When you're here, we know that you'll jump around in our friendly neighborhood town, where there's lots of fun to be found. We'll dance our lives away in these rounds, so make some happy sounds. Nightfall, it's our call, when it all became unlisted dim halls, made oddballs. Exposure has made us twisted, no doubt. When we shout, our kindness turned into madness, locked out. When we pout, a land of sadness, rejection, reflection, how messed up we all became. Dejection, aggression, and yet we're the ones who get when we love affection. Someone that we know can guide us, one that's nice and that we can trust. Our friendly neighborhood town, come on, turn that frown around, and we'll make sure you never feel down. When you're here, we know that you'll jump around in our friendly neighborhood.